Welcome back to the checkout guide. In this tutorial, I will show you how to add a discount code in your Shopify store. So if you are new to the channel, then don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Go to your Shopify admin panel, then go to discount section, then click on create discount, then click on buy X, get Y. Then you can select discount code or automatic discount. Here I am selecting automatic discount and you can enter the title as buy one, get one. Then you can select minimum quantity of items or minimum purchase amount. Here I am selecting minimum purchase amount. Then enter the amount as 1500 and select purchase type as both and you can search the products. So here I am adding this product. Then click on add. Then you can add the customer gets quantity. Here I am adding 1 and you can add the products. Then click on add and then select free and availability for pro locations only. And if you want to combine this discount with any other discount, then you can also select it. And you can also set the start date and time and end date and time. Then save your discount. Now we will test this setup on our online store. Go to your online store. And now I will add product to the cart in between these products. And I will also add this product in the cart. So here you can see that buy one, get one discount has been applied to your store. This product is totally free of cost. So that's it. You have successfully created a discount code in your Shopify store. So if you like this video, then don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. Thanks for watching and happy selling.